first things we're going to do here today is start cleaning the blower motor on the furnace here. Big thing is on these louvers here, you get up to an eighth inch of dust on here. It'll cut your furnace blower air capacity down 15%, so you'll actually lose a lot of air volume through your ductwork, which is something you don't want. You lose a lot of your heating, lose a lot of your efficiency that way. Just something that needs to be addressed during your furnace cleaning. So we'll start clean every one of these fins here, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're all done.
Make sure you clean out the bottom of the filter can. They do tend to build up with a lot of sludge, so you want to get all the deposit and everything out of there. New filter, you're going to be nice and white. Old one black from deposits in the oil. That sits down on there. Then you always want to replace your gasket on the screw when you reinstall the filter. When you're reinstalling the filter can assembly, the new gasket, you want to make sure you put oil on there to keep it from getting stuck on there when you're changing it next time. In the oil line, there's actually two filters in your system. There's also a filter on the side of the pump. So you have actually a stainless steel screen filter. If you reuse this gasket, it's most likely going to leak on you. So. Alright, once everything's clean, you can reassemble it. You can see just from running all the oil deposits and just basically backsplash from the firing gets everything nice and dirty. Clean it off before we take it apart, just to get most of the debris off. .65 gallons per hour is basically your firing rate, how much oil it pumps in, and then it'll have a degree pattern. So the correct size nozzle for this furnace is a 0.75 gallons per hour with a 70-degree B spray pattern. Then you can install the new nozzle. No bad areas on the unit. We can put it back together. Another important thing to do is check your chimney, especially on oil furnaces, because they do produce soot, and if they aren't clean, they can actually plug up. Once this one was almost full, so it could have led to a lot of soot in the house, which should be cleaned yearly.